Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will discuss 20 important multiple choice questions from botany. These questions are most frequently asked questions and they are also very important for our upcoming competitive entrance examinations. Now let's start with our first question. Synapsis occurs in. We know that synapsis occurs in meiosis cell division, and in meiosis cell division in prophase first stage, in zygote stage of prophase first synapsis occurs. So right answer for question number 1 is zygote. Now let's see question number 2. Which of the following is called vegetable chameleon? Right answer for this question is anthocyanin. Option choice A, anthocyanin is correct answer for question number 2. Now let's see question number 3. Circular DNA is found in. Circular DNA is found in, we all know that, mitochondria and chloroplast. In mitochondria and chloroplast we can see circular DNA. So right answer for question number 3 is option choice C. Now let's see question number 4. In which of the following stele pith is found? Stele pith is found in, we know that stele pith is found in option choice D, Siphonostele. So right answer for question number 4 is option choice D. This stele is the central core of stem and root of a plant which consists of vascular tissue. Now let's see question number 5. Versatile stamens are found in. Versatile stamens are found in Poaceae family. Poaceae is also called Triticum, and you can see this in this central line is going here and it is connected towards two lobes. So right answer for this question is option choice B. Now let's see question number 6. Which of the following is xerophytic succulent? Right answer for this question is agave. Succulent xerophytes are those xerophyte plants which store water in this type of their leaf, and they are found in dry and desert type of weather. Now let's move to question number 7. Munch mass flow is associated with. We all know Munch mass flow hypothesis, and right answer for this question is translocation. Translocation is right answer for question number 7. Munch mass hypothesis is the theory which explains flow of materials through phloem from high concentration to low concentration region. Now let's see question number 8. Which of the plant possesses the hardest wood? These are the scientific name of the wood, and right answer for this question is option choice A. In common word it is called sal tree or sal plant. In scientific name it is Sweria robusta. So right answer is option choice A. Now let's see question number 9. Jute fiber is found, or jute fiber is obtained from secondary xylem, secondary phloem, primary xylem and primary phloem. We know this phylum, they are the stem part means they are found in phloem, and the right answer for this question is secondary phloem. Option choice B is the right answer for question number 9. Now let's see question number 10. Sprouting of potato during storage is due to. This sprouting means germination, coming up that bud from potato, and right answer for this answer is option choice B, gibberellins. In gibberellins is the causative agent or this hormone that results the sprouting of potato, and it causes rapid germination of seed. Now let's see question number 11. Biofertilizer is Unbegena azolee, which is in option choice C. This is biofertilizer. Now let's see question number 12. Commercially, cork is obtained from. Cork is used in laboratories and in other different purpose. The cork is made from oak tree, oak tree. Right answer for question number 12 is option choice A. Now let's see question number 13. Passive absorption occurs mainly due to. Passive absorption occurs mainly due to temperature. Option choice B is the right answer for question number 13. Now let's see question number 14. Apomixis involves without fusion of gametes. Apomixis involves without fusion of gametes. So right answer for question number 14 is option choice C. Option choice C. Now let's see question number 15. Microphyll, funicle and chalaza lies in a straight line in which type of ovule? Such type of ovule is called atropous or orthotropous. In this type of ovule, this funicle and chalaza, and here is the position of microphyll, they lies in a straight line. So right answer for this question is option choice A. Now question number 16. Anther are fused but filament are free. Anther are fused but filament are freed, and such condition is found in composite type of diagram or composite type of structure, and option choice A is the right answer for question number 16. Now question number 17. Periosteum is found in Funaria. Funaria is option choice B. Capsule of Funaria consists of 32 periosteum teeth. They are arranged in 2 rows. So right answer for the question number 17 is periosteum. Right answer for question number 17 is option choice B. Now let's see question number 18. Fungi that requires 2 hosts to complete their life cycle is. Fungi that requires 2 hosts to complete their lifestyle is called. This is the right answer for this question is option choice D. Option choice D is the right answer, that is Heretoceous. Heretoceous is the type of fungi that needs 2 hosts to complete their life cycle. Pigment system is mainly for, we know that pigment system are the group of photosynthetic pigments which are located in chloroplast, and pigment system is mainly for hydrolysis of water. Option choice B is the right answer for question number 19. Last question for today's series is alternative or contrasting form of gene is. Alternative or contrasting form of gene is allele. Right answer for this question is option choice A. So these questions were asked in different type of competitive examinations, and we will be continuing this in upcoming videos. So thank you very much.